What's up YouTube, it's your boy Tangeni once again. I'm back with another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Forex Factory calendar. So if you are new to this channel, or if it's your first time watching this video, I suggest you go back to my channel and then you watch the first video that I have made about Forex Factory. Then from there is when you can come to this video, because here I will not go in details, but I will go through the most important things that you need to know about Forex Factory. If you are one of the traders or people that trades fundamentals, or you want to incorporate fundamentals into your trading strategy. So guys, make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, drop your comment in the comment section if you have any question, guys, and join our free Telegram group. The link is in the video description, and I will also drop it in the comment section, guys. Just hit that link and then you'll be part of our community, guys. It's for free, you don't have to pay anything, guys. So now let's go to the website of Forex Factory calendar. Then I will be going through everything that you need to know. What do you need to know? What do you need to do when trading news every day? So yeah, let's get to the website so that I can show you. Okay, as you can see, guys, I'm on the Forex Factory calendar. As you can see, I'm on the website now. So now the very first thing that you can do is by login, go create an account with them and then you log in, guys. So creating an account with them, it's free, you don't have to pay anything. I'm not going through this, but if you want to know everything about Forex Factory, starting from logging in and creating an account and all that, watch another video, guys, on my channel that explain in details how to do so. But in this one, I'll be going through the most important things. Now, okay, let's just quickly go to the most important thing. The most important things are the Forex Factory calendar. We are in a calendar now, as you can see here. So you don't have to go through forums, trades, news, and what. You just go to the Forex calendar. Then it shows that again. It shows that the date of the news release date, the day of the news release, and the time, the currency, the impact, and details, actual, forecast, previous, and graph, guys. These are the most important things that you see here. But let's just quickly start with one, which is filter. Let's just quickly go to filter. Here it filters everything. It filters everything that you don't want to see on the screen. But for me, I do not want to see this color and this yellow also. I only want to see the medium impact and high impact expected and medium impact expected. That is all I want to see on my screen now. But as you can see, guys, event types now. These are event types: growth, inflation, employment, central bank, bonds, housing, consumer service, business service, speeches, mystery. I want to see all of this. But on the currencies, you choose now which currency you want to see on your on your list of the currency that you mostly trade. If you don't want to see Chinese currency, you just unclick it and then you apply filter. Now let's quickly go and apply filter. As you can see, guys, here you can only see high impact expected, which is red, and medium red, which is medium impact expected, guys. So yeah, let's go to the next thing now. As I have said, you only need to focus on the date of the news release and the time, the currency, and the impact. Those are the most important thing. And the very important thing, the very important thing that we have to focus on is details. If you want to go into details of the news, what are they saying about this news, then you do what? You just click here. Let me just go on the US dollar. Then you just click here quickly. And then you go into the details now. This is the details of the news now. As you can see here, the source, automatic data processing in measures estimated change in the number of employed people during the previous month, including excluding the farming industry and government. Usual effect, actual greater than forecast is good for currency. You need to understand, this is very important, guys. This is very, very important. I know some of you don't listen very well. Listen here. Usual effect, actual greater than forecast is good, guys. What they forecast here, if what came out, what if what came out is bigger or is bigger than the forecast, which is forecast, expect the US dollar to be good, guys. Expect the US dollar the US dollar to be buying. As you can see there. Frequency release monthly, usually on the first Wednesday after the month ends. Next release, it will be on March 5, 2025. FF notes, this data provide an early look at employment growth, usually 2 days ahead of the government release employee data that is designed to mimic source change series calculation formula in February 2007, December 2008, and November 2012 to better align with government data. Yes. Now let's go to the why traders care. Why do traders care about this data or information? Job creation is an important leading indicator for consumer spending. Job creation is important leading indicator for consumer spending, which accounts for a majority of overall economic activity. Derived via ADP analyzed payroll data from more than 25 million workers to derive employment growth estimations. Acro expand automatic data processing ADP. You see, here is a history now. Here is the history of previous data or numbers. Previous data or numbers. Now you just click here to go back, and then you go to the next one now. So yeah, you will see how I went through this, meaning that actual, if like here the previous one is 122k, then what they focus is 148k. Now if what comes out is bigger than what is forecast, meaning that it's good for the US dollar, meaning that you have to buy currency pairs that start with US dollar, guys, that start with US dollar, that are paired with US dollar, that begins with the US dollar, like USD JPY, USD CHF, and then you must also sell gold. In this case, you must sell gold because gold is paired with a US dollar, and you must also sell Euro USD. You must also sell GBP USD, and then you must buy USD ZAR, guys. Those are the currencies that you must focus on this news, guys. So this one, it will be released today on Wednesday. Not today. Today is not Wednesday, but today is Tuesday. So it will be released tomorrow. So yeah, now let's go to the next one, which is GBP. It will be released on Thursday, February the 6th at 11 a.m. at 2 p.m. GBP, Bank of England Monetary Policy Report. So yeah, these are the things that I will be released on that. Let me just quickly go to US dollar, guys, which is the most important one because majority of the people they trade the US dollar. It will be released at 3:30 p.m. US dollar. Unemployment claims. So now let's quickly check here. The previous one was 207k, and the focus one is 214k, meaning that if now in this case, if what comes out is bigger than this amount that you see here, which is forecast, meaning that it will be bad for the US dollar, meaning that unemployment claim, people that are claiming to be unemployed are a lot in USA now. So meaning that it will be bad for the US dollar, meaning that you will sell the US dollar, guys. You guys need to understand, you need to listen very well. I know some of you will like just to jump into comments without listening to what I'm saying. Listen very well. Here, if what comes out is bigger than this amount that you see here, 214k, it means that the US dollar will be weak. Now let me go quickly to the details of the news now. Okay, measures. Source Department of Labor. This news, it came from Department of Labor. Measures the number of individuals who filed for unemployment insurance for the first time during the past week. Usual effect. Actual less than forecast is good for currency. Now let me quickly check it. If what comes out is smaller or it is lower than this 214k, then it means that it is good for the US dollar, guys. It will be good for the US dollar, meaning that you must buy US dollar. If it what comes out is bigger than this amount, then you must sell the US dollar, guys. Released frequently, released weekly, usually on the first Thursday after the weekends. After week ends. Next release it will be on 13 February 2025. So now, okay, this is the nation's earliest economic data. The market impact fluctuates from week to week. There tend to be more focus on the release when traders need to diagnose recent developments or when the reading is at extreme. Why traders care? Although it is generally viewed as a lagging indicator, the number of unemployed people is an important signal of overall economic health because consumer spending is highly correlated with labor market conditions. Unemployment is also a major consideration for this, steering the country's monetary policy, guys. Also called jobless claims, guys. Guys, if you don't understand this, drop your question in the comment section so that I will also go through, guys, if you don't understand this. So this is the most important thing on this Forex Factory calendar, guys. So yeah, if you find value in this video, guys, like the video, share the video, comment below, guys, so that it can reach the people that need this kind of information, guys. So I do not sell anything in the Forex space. I don't do mentorship. I don't do account management, guys. I don't sell signals. You can join my free Telegram group to receive free signals every day, guys. So yeah, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.